Sa pumili ng Ewas card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit kayo nahanap ng inyong tao. I can really feel yung energy na may naiiyak, okay? I can really feel this is kind of like a karma reading. I feel like whomever this is, guys, they are definitely jealous of you. And I feel this is somebody who definitely, they kind of like create illusions and lies and mistreated you in the past. And you could be somebody that is kind and loving and nurturing. At saka, hinahanap niya kayo kasi I really feel na malungkot talaga yung energy. Okay? Kasi itong taon na to, hindi sila nagbagong buhay. So, kung ano man ang ginawa niya sa'yo sa past, yun pa rin yung balak niyang gawin sa'yo sa future. Kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto ko pa rin niyang payakin, maltratuin, at kung ano man. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel like for some of you, this is somebody na backstabber friend nyo dati or kaklose nyo on some point. Pero hindi ko talaga na-feel yung genuine energy sa kanila. At I kinda like feel na naiiyak ka kasi, you definitely show them love and care. Pero yung ginawa nilang kabayaran is i-destroy yung name mo or may ginawa silang kalokohan sa'yo. So, ito yung tao na, maybe really they are bullies, to be honest with you. Kasi sa ngayon, maybe you're somebody who's moving on sa mga ginawa nila and these people are aware that you're somebody that is an upright person. At saka nga, naging balance na yung iyong buhay, definitely, okay? So, kung sino man siya, guys, if ever this is about love-related, yung kaya kanya hinahanap kasi gusto niya pa rin maging karelasyon ka, pero sa uli, bibiguin ka lang niya, ilalagay ka niya sa third party, gawin kanyang, madrama uli yung buhay mo, iyak ka muli, okay? Parang gusto nilang bumalik para pagtripan ka lang. You get my point? Kasi look at this one. So I feel like you're definitely somebody who's kind to everyone. And you learned your lesson already na hindi lahat ng tao ay kagaya mo na mabuti. Okay? So, ito nga yung tao na kaya kanila hinahanap. Maybe you see this posting na hinahanap kanila or maybe, you see some signs about them looking for you kaya ka nandito. Pero hindi talaga maganda yung kanilang intention, guys. Kasi intention nila is gusto kanilang muling manggulo sa iyong buhay or betray ka muli. Kung ano man ang ginawa nila sa iyo dati, uulitin lang nila yun. Kaya wag kang maniniwala kung ano man ang sabihin nila sa iyo. Kasi itong mga taon na to, they keep this bad attitude that they have. They're definitely bullies at saka deceitful, so huwag mo silang pagkatiwalaan. If ever they say that they change, but in your reading, guys, hindi ko nakita dito yung change. Okay? So, wherever they're saying you somebody na naging okay na muli yung iyong buhay, to be honest with you. And you're definitely somebody who helped them out. You actually become a good person for them. Like, you're somebody who's a good friend. Right? And they're trying to manifest you back and play pretend like they're a good friend, good lover, kung ano man yan. Pero sa uli, ibebetray ka lang nila. So, kaya kanila hinahanap kasi nakita nila na meron kang blessing and they desire about it. So, yung iba sa kanila, they're just after your wealth and then once that they got this, iiwan kanila muli or, i-destroy kanila uli pag nakuha na nila yung gusto nila sa'yo. So, you got this Ewas card. So, I kinda like feel kaya ka nga nila hinahanap kasi yun nga, you're somebody that's definitely loving and kind. At saka, inisip nila na, payakin ka muli. Okay? At, mauto ka muli. Pero hindi ko naman nafe-feel dito na mauto ka muli. Kasi nadala ka na. Okay, na-realize mo na hindi lahat ng tao sa iyong buhay ay mabuti. So, let's see what else do we have here. So far, guys, I didn't feel any regret over what they did to you in the past, which is definitely sad. So, you have the curse here. So, kaya ka nila hinahanap kasi gusto ka muli nilang i-curse. Okay, and we have this 1 year at saka paikutin muli yung mundo mo. Maybe now you're in this way. So, gusto nilang gawin uli yan in reverse. So, you have the yes here in easier way. So, gusto nilang i-break ka. Maybe gusto nilang magsabi ng oo sa'yo with regards sa love. Tapos bila sila maghahanap ng iba. Ibe-break lang yung heart mo para maging imbalance ka. So, we have this one, you are my sunshine in reverse. So far, they are definitely your haters, guys. Okay, they really want to dim your light, honestly. Kasi nakikita ka nila siguro na masaya ka sa ginagawa mo sa ngayon, balanse yung buhay mo, peaceful. Gusto nilang muling sirain yan. So, we got thinking of you in easier way. So, sila yung tao na hindi mo na naiisip sa ngayon kasi they did what they did already. Okay? So, 26 means they are not supposedly in your life. Meaning, hindi sila meant para sa'yo. They are karmics, they are toxic, At sa iyong background, may narinig tayo na taon ng aso. Ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, na they are actually will just fight you, argue with you, i-distort yung iyong peace, honestly speaking. So, you have to say in reverse. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, hindi talaga kayong meta mag-usap. And I kinda like feel din, guys, na pinipindong sila ng langit or binablock ng langit yung kanilang throat chakra kasi ayaw na ng langit na mag-usap kayong dalawa. Okay, kasi first of all, hindi maganda yung kanilang intention at I kinda like feel na yung gusto nila mangyari dito is mauto ka pa rin. So, let's see what else do we have here. I kinda like feel like you are a just person. I feel like whatever that they're doing to you, it will definitely backfire back to them. So, for na-sense ko na masakit yung aking right hand, so ibig sabihin lang nun, meron kayong negative emotion with regards to this person. Kasi nga dahil sa ginawa niya sa iyong buhay, okay? So, gusto sirain ng mga taong ito yung, yung balance. So, marami tayong card na ganyan. Justice, dalawa na. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, gusto nilang baliktarin itong skills. Okay? So, ito yung tao na, dapat mawala talaga sa iyong buhay. Kasi, first of all, they are karmics or very toxic in your life. Okay? I feel like some of you, this could be your childhood friend or matagal na kayo magkakilala. Pero, parang wala talaga siyang utang na loob. So, kaya kanya hinahanap muli kasi gusto kanyang gusto ko niya uli sirain, honestly, yung peace mo and so on. Kasi nakita ka niya na, may pera ka at hindi lang yung talagang balance yung buhay, ganun din sa love life. Ay, itong tao na to baka nainggit or baka gusto niyang, mag-isa ka na lang, wala kang pera and so on. Ano siya? Bully. To be honest, kaya kanya hinahanap para sirain muli yung buhay mo. So, tingnan natin yung karma ng taong ito kasi based on your reading, hindi siya nagbagong buhay at sad news na hindi man siya naging guilty sa ginawa niya sa'yo dati. Kung hindi pa ito nangyari sa iyong buhay na ginanito niya yung buhay mo noon, maybe itong taon na to gagawin niya yan sa'yo. Baka ginawa niya yan sa iba, tapos sa'yo gagawin niya ito. So, mag-ingat na lang kayo, guys. Okay? And remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't. Alright? So, anyway, whomever this is, yung karma niya, guys, babalik sa kanya kung naman ang ginawa niya sa yung pagka-curse and so on. Siya yung magkakaroon ng weakness. Ibig sabihin lang nun, baka siya ay magkasakit. So, kaya kanya hinahanap, remember, dahil gusto kanyang i-curse. As you can see. If ever this person definitely curse you, babalik sa kanya yun at siya naman yung magkakasakit. Isa sa kanyang karma, hindi niya ma-achieve yung goals and dreams niya. Kasi nga busy lang siya manira ng buhay na may buhay. Yung mga tama kasalamuhan niya is someone na hindi talaga mabuti, hindi mapagmahal, Kasi itong taon na to, nakatagpo na nga siya ng taong mabuti sa kanya, hindi niya actually tignan yung maganda para sa kanyang buhay. Mas pinipili pa niya na pumunta sa barkada na hindi mabubuti, Kaya, ito yung kanyang karma na yung mga kasama niyang tao ay kagaya din niya. So, isa rin sa kanyang karma, guys, hindi kanya maaalis kung saan yung iyong career. Tsaka, mananatili kang balance at masaya sa iyong buhay. And you will definitely have that focus or drive with regards sa iyong career. At wala kang problem with regards sa money. Okay, so, anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you.